Hi, it's Miss M. Today I'll be showing you an activity you can do with things found in your backyard. Start by collecting some leaves. Try to find leaves that are whole and that are also dry. I have lots of different plants in my backyard. What kind of plants do you have? Look for different sizes, textures, and shapes. Once you have all your leaves, head inside. It's really important that you wash your hands once you come inside. Wet your hands first, then put a little bit of soap in your hands. Wash your hands really well. You want to wash for about 20 seconds. For the next step, you'll need paper, paintbrushes, paint, your leaves, and something to put under your paper so you don't get your desk all messy. Choose a leaf to start with. Then take your paintbrush, dip it into the color of your choice, and start painting. Aim for a nice, even layer, not too much and not too little. It might take a couple tries to get it just right. It's through practice that we get better. Oh, and don't forget the stem. The stem is an important part of the leaf too. Now, take your leaf, place it paint side down onto the paper, and just gently press the leaf down onto the white paper. Slowly peel it off, and bam! You've made your first leaf print. Let's try again with another leaf. This time, try a different color. When I think about it, people and plants are pretty similar. A huge oak tree doesn't get to be a huge oak tree overnight. It takes a lot of time, a lot of patience. But we too will grow, and we'll get bigger, and we'll get better at things too. And as always, it's okay to ask for help until we can do it ourselves. Now let's try some pine needles. Pine needles aren't flat, so this might be a little more difficult than the other leaves. Isn't it cool how diverse all these different plants are? None of them look the same. I have to use quite a bit more paint to try to get every nook and cranny. But boy, does it pay off. I love the texture that it brings. It's so unique compared to the other leaves. I have enough paint to press it down a couple times. Continue this process with however many leaves you have. Now you might only have one type of tree or plant in your backyard. That's okay. Instead of using different kinds of leaves, you could use the same leaves and just have them different colors. I don't think I put enough paint on this one, so I'm going to try to paint it again and see if I can bring out more of the texture. Sometimes we need to experiment. We have to try new ideas. Now that's much better. Sometimes it takes multiple tries, more than once, to get something right. Now I'm using acrylic paint because it dries pretty quick, but you could try tempera as well, whatever you have at home. Now I had the opposite dilemma. You might notice there's too much paint. It's hard to see the veins. So I try to press it down again. This time, it has less paint on it. And there you have it! Repeat as many times as you want. You have your own print.